how to actually install a browser and download it and install it without the need or the use of another browser. And the first thing you'll need to do is to open up the Microsoft Store. You can search it up for in the Start menu, Store, and then open up the Microsoft Store. Now you want to search for your browser that you're trying to download. So for example, it could be Chrome, or it could be Mozilla Firefox, Opera, Brave, or any other browser available. And then you should simply click on it and then click on Install, or the Install blue button here. And this should start downloading and installing the browser. And once it finishes installing, you can open up the browser and use it normally. Now, you probably wouldn't find Google Chrome here because they are competitors, I think, the Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.